In this quick guide, you'll learn how to delete a category in Wave Accounting. Whether you're looking to clean up your chart of accounts or simply remove a category that is no longer relevant, I'll walk you through the steps to do just that. To get started, head over to the Wave Accounting dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation sidebar menu. From this menu, you want to click on Accounting. This will reveal a drop-down list, and from there, select Chart of Accounts. This section is essentially the backbone of your accounting system in Wave, where all your financial categories are listed and organized. Once you're in the chart of accounts, you'll see several tabs at the top of the page. These tabs are labeled as assets, liabilities, and credit cards, income, expenses, and equity. Each of these tabs contains different types of financial categories. Depending on what type of category you wish to delete, you'll need to click through these tabs to locate the specific category you're targeting. For instance, if you're looking to delete an expense category, you would click on the Expenses tab. After you've located the category you want to delete, move your cursor to the far right edge of that specific category row. Here, you will see a pencil icon, which serves as the Edit button. Click on this icon to proceed. Clicking the pencil icon will open up the Account Parameters pop-up window. This window is where you can make various changes to the selected category. Inside this pop-up window, look for the option labeled Archive Account. You'll find a checkbox next to it. By checking this box, you're essentially marking the category for deletion. It's important to note that archiving a category in Wave doesn't permanently delete it from your records. Instead, it hides the category from your active list, preserving any historical data associated with it. This can be particularly useful if you ever need to reference past transactions linked to that category. Once you've checked the box to archive the account, you're ready to finalize the process. To do this, simply click the Save button. This action will apply the changes and effectively hide the category from your active chart of accounts. And there you have it. The category is now successfully archived and will no longer clutter your active accounting view. Remember, organizing your chart of accounts is crucial for maintaining a clear and accurate financial overview. By periodically reviewing and archiving categories that are no longer in use, you ensure that your financial statements are easy to manage and understand. This simple cleanup process can make a big difference in the efficiency of your accounting practices. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring other features within Wave Accounting. Managing your financial data effectively can save you time and help you make informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process of deleting a category in Wave Accounting straightforward and stress-free.